Welcome to a video from thedigitalLifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is build 25131 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. And actually this build doesn't contain that much, but what there is I'll talk about and can show you on here. So the Windows Store has been updated, the Microsoft Store has been updated for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. So before we get too far into the video, I'll set this off updating to make sure that I've got the latest version that I can talk about. So things in this build, well, they fixed an issue. Well, the things with this build is actually no new features apart from the store change, which we'll look at. But they have got a number of fixes. So they fixed an issues where AMD processors would green screen crash and then roll back to the previous build. So they fixed that, and they fixed an issue with secondary accounts. If you've got a secondary account, you may not be able to upgrade to the latest build. So if you've got additional accounts on there, you won't be able to get the latest build. They fixed some issues with File Explorer, where the command bar wouldn't have the right icon, and they fixed an issue with it sort of hanging as well sometimes. They've also fixed the issue with app data going to app data. That's where you can go. Percent app data to get to your app data folder. And they fixed an issue where that icon wouldn't show correctly, and they've also fixed some search issues, some settings issues, and some issues with Spotlight. There's still some known issues with this build. Insiders with Surface Pro X's will hit a black screen when attempting to resume from Hibernate, so you have to power the device down, hold the power button down to do that. So you're probably better waiting and not installing this build. And the anti-cheat software is still may crash or cause your PC to bug check. And the start menu shutdown is not working for everybody. Some people, when you go to this start menu shutdown, it's actually crashing the device. So what's changed in the store? Let's see if we can have a look at that. So this is the latest version of the store. It's got ARM64 native support, improved app updates, and Microsoft say that they'll skip over apps that you've already opened and update them later. So if you're in the middle of working on something and there's an update for it, it won't just close and reopen it, it'll wait. And they've improved the discoverability for Android apps as well, and they said faster navigation as well. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure how much difference that's made, but you can see the kind of thing. I think they've improved the scrolling of it as well. It's a little bit slow on my VM here, but yeah, that's okay. So that's it for the changes of this build. As I said, there's not a huge amount in there. 25131. I've got a full video of what's new in the update coming soon for Windows 11, the normal Windows 11 22H2. We've got a full video of that on thedigitalLifestyle.com and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.